Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of logging into Xoom for quick PayPal transfers. Follow these simple step-by-step instructions to access your account effortlessly. Step 1. Open the Xoom website or app. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Xoom website at www.xoom.com or launch the Xoom app on your mobile device. Step 2. Click on the Sign In button. Once you're on the home page, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 3. Enter your PayPal email address. On the login page, you will be prompted to enter your PayPal email address. Make sure to use the email associated with your Xoom account. Step 4. Input your password. After entering your email address, click Next and input your PayPal password in the designated field. Ensure your password is entered correctly, paying attention to case sensitivity. Step 5. Complete any required security checks. Depending on your account security settings, you may need to complete additional verification steps, such as two-factor authentication. Follow the instructions provided if prompted. Step 6. Click on Login. Once you have filled in your credentials and completed any security checks, click the Login button to access your Xoom account. Step 7. Navigate the dashboard. After a successful login, you will be directed to your Xoom dashboard. From here, you can initiate transfers, view your transaction history, and manage your account settings. That's it. You are now logged into Xoom for quick and easy PayPal transfers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.